Here we have an overview of the machines in the MDC. This is made on with Google Charts and with Javascript as the front end, and the data is collected by using PHP programs on the server side. And if you click on one of the machines here, we have a more detailed view with the time distribution, cycle and stop. Then on the other side we have the stop reason codes. And here we have the message log, the last 10 messages. That's all online, of course, real time. And this is the last 10 alarms, and this one shows the history with up to 30 days track. This is done by reading the real-time tables that is defined in the DNC Max Indian, and this one has a 30-second update. Now I just made a stop on the machine. I'm using the MD Connect simulator we have you can download from our webpage, and then we have machine stop and an alarm, and then we put in a reason code. This first reason code unattended stop comes automatically as soon as the stop occurs. There we have the broken tool reason code. And we start to count up on the pie chart on the right side, and the stop time is counting up on the left side. So this is updated every 30 seconds, so you will see some delay. You could probably go faster, but I don't think there's a reason to do that. And here we have started the machine again, and then the text of the alarm will show on the alarm history list on the left side. It was a 51 second alarm, logical condition fault. And this is again using Google Charts on the front end, on the client side, in JavaScript, and we're reading the real-time tables through views. I define views to make the data more readable. Here we have the original real-time tables, and here we see the view that we used to I used to read the tables through. Let's give we have defined the fields and so on, and format the time stamps in a more readable way, as opposed to the original ones. That's all in Unix timestamps, and you have this column with number behind. And also we have the monitor log view. We have this monitor log view. We'll also have the colors here on the right side, and the colors come from the MDC messages table. You have the alarms here, the start time, end time, zone, duration. So if you look at the source code, we have, for instance, here the alarm PHP that selects the reach alarm to MySQL select on the view, and then we put them in an object that we export, as we send to the front end as a JSON formatted object. here on the front end we have the machine list here where we get the JSON update comes back, and we can use the data to write them on the screen. This particular one is not a Google chart, but we use the data communication. It works the same way. You can just format and present them on the screen.